Welcome back, BMF Speed Shop. So you know where you're at. So I thought I'd make a video on the crosstrek, since I had some videos up there before, but we had some issues with the car. So I wanted to talk about that. So it just hit 13,000 miles. The car was running great. We've been absolutely loving the thing. And then all of a sudden, the engine started making a weird noise. So I called up Subaru. They came and towed the car up to the dealership, and at 11,961 miles, they found metal shavings in the oil, and all 4 camshafts were scored. So they had to tear the engine out and tear it completely down. And it took about 6 weeks. They gave us a loaner. Everything was pretty much taken care of on our end. We didn't really have to spend anything out of pocket. Everything was covered under warranty, and we got the car back. I put another 1,200 miles on the car. Well, my wife has. And yeah, making another video. So far, knock on wood, everything's running good. So I thought I'd make an update of all the things that we got done to the car and some of the things that happened. She got a nice little door ding in the hood thanks to these huge pine trees we got here on the property. She got a door ding in the other side. But other than that engine noise, which I think may have been a valve spring that went, we haven't had any issues with the car. My wife absolutely loves this thing. I just kind of see, we put a cheap roof rack on there. I made an exhaust for it. I don't know if you guys heard that video, but I made a driver's side exit muffler on there. Let's see if you can capture that awesomeness. She's got that legendary Subaru rumble now. I'm gonna put a trailer hitch on here and do maybe some snow tires next. And I really want to do a lift kit and bigger wheels and tires and stuff, but I'm trying to wait until the warranty's up, just with the recent things that happened. So I got, a couple years, probably 2 years before we do that stuff. But I'm probably I might get a different set of wheels for it. I don't know. You never know what's gonna happen. But yeah, I thought I'd just give you guys an update of what happened. 13,000 mile review. We had some issues. Subaru covered everything. It was awesome. So still love the car. I am gonna go get this back to my wife. She's at work right now, so she's gonna be surprised when she comes out and sees this thing all cleaned up with the new mountain forest graphics I applied on there for her. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button.